This is absolutely insane, guys. Seriously, this is a fantastic view. About to go into the craziness that's called PAX West. What's up, Wario?
Really good, man. First time here.
We're just trying to give him a good view right here. There we go. There we go. Bam!
I play Street Fighter. I love Halo. I love Fortnite. Best game of all time.
Xbox fam.
And he's better than him.
No comment.
I'm about to play For Honor with For Honor Heroes with Andrew. Andrew's right here.
I'm right here. I'm still trying to figure out how to start the game.
Yeah, he can't start.
I can't even get the game started.
Terrible.
Never played a keyboard and mouse game because I'm a console gamer. A controller in the hand.
Which means he's terrible. That's what it is.
I'm about to be terrible.
Discord, people. Discord. Best communication software ever. Oh, look at that head. So the Fortnite craze is not ending. They've got their own tent outside the convention center, and it's all battle royale here. And their prizes. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna zoom in for you. Yep. First prize takes $225,000. So. Yep, people are lining up.
I'm recording video! Yeah, that's right. Come on, excitement, people. It's so much fun and terrible.
All right, guys, that is it for PAX Prime. Actually, PAX West is the real name. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shot entirely on the Galaxy Note9. I'm trying this whole vlogging thing. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. It's loud here, but I gotta catch a flight back to New York and enjoy. It's been fun.